The Soviet M-25 aircraft was aptly named Hellcatschik. The plane might not have been developed at all. But then the Soviet Union and China clashed on Damansky Island in 1969. Then it turned out that tanks were not effective and border guards had losses until they used a multiple-launch rocket system. So it became clear that more weapons were needed. The command of the Soviet Union was impressed by this encounter, and therefore the work to develop new weapons was deployed on a large scale. Thus, most of the research institutes, as well as industry ministries of the country, were involved in the development. The Design Bureau of Myasishchev was among those involved. As an index, the plane was named Tema 25, the same name the project had. The main function of this machine was to create a shock wave of destructive power. It was supposed to create special elements of the fuselage, the so-called waveformers. One of them was the nose of the aircraft in the duck pattern. The generated shockwave was so powerful that during a low-flying flight it would be fatal for all enemy personnel. However, already during the choice of technology for the aircraft problems were discovered. For example, the Design Bureau of Myasishchev prescribed that not more than 4 turbojet engines could be installed. However, such engines did not yet exist, there was no such technology. There was also a problem with the controls. After inspections, it was clear that autopilot was the only possible option. But the level of technology did not allow the use of an autopilot for such a purpose.